Hi.
Look.
What do you think?
Who is that? You see Luke? You see Uncle Billy over there?
That's Luke. Can you say Luke?
Luke and Jackie.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to say Mommy? Okay.
Luke
That's Luke.
and Jackie.
Two babies. Jackie's,
Can
right.
you say Luke? Brady, can you say Luke? Here,
Holy snot nose.
I know, that's why I was wiping them.
Can you say Luke? Jackie, yes.
That's
How about this one?
Jackie. And that's Luke. Can you say Luke?